All right, people. Wifey is recording. She grabbed my phone. She said, "I want to play." She saw me win big, so now it's her turn to win big, right?
Oops.
We're at the Luxor, and we're playing a mummy game at the Luxor. So I think that we can do this, right, Wifey?
Yeah.
Come on, Wifey. I believe in your ability.
This is very hard to.
This is a hard job to do, okay? Oh yes, your favorite. It's not an easy job to record and play and talk and. Come on, Minnie. Oh, this is a good maxi over here. We just won a $280 one on ours. What did it reset? So it resets to 200. So this one is way overdue. Come on, Wifey.
What were you betting on? 150? Were you? What were you betting on?
I was on 2 cents, 150. But I was betting everywhere from like this to going to 2. Oh, he was up there.
Yeah, I'll change.
You wanna go do that? Okay. Yes. Looking prime to go up. Alright, Wifey. Okay, you got some good line hit there. Wow. The line hits are there. Oh, one beautiful eye over there would have been 5 of a kind. It's hard to get 5 of a kind in this game.
This button is so hard to press.
Yeah, the button is the only.
Yeah.
Alright, I'm helping Wifey right now, guys. I'll work my magic. Come on. Yes, here we go. What is it? Green one. Green one. Emeralds. Which one is it? Oh, it's 3 games. 3 games, baby. All right. This could be big, Wifey. I believe in your ability to win us.
Actually, you press the buttons. You press the buttons.
Which one should I push? A for apple. It doesn't matter. Come on. All right. Wild. Oh, that's good. You can pop this in here too, so. Okay. Wifey and I bonus. Both have gotten bonuses so far. We're in a temple. We're in an Egyptian temple right now. 650 so far. Come on, cash collect. Oh, come on now. All 3. Magic. That would have been a good one. That's $22. $22.50. Come on, retrigger. Okay, I just asked for it too. Oh, all 3. Oh, okay.
That was only $6.
No, it was $13. It's 2 credits, so not bad. Let's see if there's a back-to-back in there. You juiced up these 2 inside there, so. Oh, he was right up there, and now it's right up there. 3 games, I'm telling you. It's only good. We saw that one guy who had like 50 respins and retriggers. That was crazy, but it can happen. Okay. There. This maxi, I almost wanted this instead. Well, now we know because 20 would have been minimum. Oh, come on. Yes. Do this. We have a chance for this. And the major is not even that different. Come on, mommy. Come on, we're in your home base right now in this beautiful pyramid. Oh, we got the drinks over here. How about? Please, yes. Get 2. Thank you. Appreciate it. Thank you. There you go, Wifey.
Thank you.
Yes, here. said here because I knew it was gonna take 5 tries. Sando free games again, please. Should we go back to 1 cent, or what do you think?
Yeah, whatever you think it's good.
Let's go back to 1 cent for a little bit.
What's the minimum for 5 cents? Is it 250?
Yeah, let's see. What is the minimum for 5 cents?
250.
Yeah, 250. Try a couple there.
Yeah.
I've gotten a lot of first spin bonuses on this game, so. Oh, he was up there. 1 more. Come on. Pop it. 5.
Oh.
$3.
I like 5.
Come on, this. Or this. I love when it just gives you on the first one. Why? They make us sweat so much here. I knew something was going to be up there. Wrong one. Yeah, of course. A day late and a dollar short always. Oh, come on. One of them. I knew it was going to be up there, but it's a few spins later. Come on, friend. Do a couple of fast spins. Oh. Fast spins juiced it up a little bit. The 150. Oh, come on. 1 over there, that would have been hard as a good symbol to hit. There he is now. Come on, jackpot. Not saying anything. Except for red. Except all of them. Why did it fly by so many times? There was like one here. Okay. Alright. Now. I'm just kidding, I mean, now. Beautiful vision eyes. Looks like it's ready to pop now, right? Right after it grew too, that would have been good. Oh, it was right up there. Getting some good numbers on it, but $7.50. Doesn't matter if it doesn't hit.
No good.
No good yet. Still have 10 more tries. Over 10 tries. Let's go. Alright, 10 tries. Yes?
Is the iced tea good?
Very good. Yeah, so. Good, huh? Pretty good? Cheers.
Yeah, it's good.
It's good. It's good sweetener in it too. All 3, 1 of them, huh? None of them. All ice inside of it. Okay. Come on. Well, mommy, be nice to wifey over here, right? That's a good line hit. $13. Okay, we have more than 10 spins again. Is this where the magic's gonna happen? That free games feature is so hit and miss. I know most free games are very like, even Dragon Link and stuff, it's very, very hit or miss. Unless you get like the other feature inside of it, it's just like, you're depending on line hits, which are non-existent in this game. Putting in $20 for Wifey.
Where's my 30-cent one?
Here's your 30-cent one.
Oh, here.
Let's do that. 30-cent one too. Okay.
It's my lucky.
That's your lucky one. Okay. So let's go back to 1 cent and do 225 bets. We have 11 225 bets. I think that's our lucky number 11, and it's a bigger number on the smaller denomination. So now we have 11. 1, 2, 3. Oh yeah. Come on. 4. Oh yeah. $10 man. You can start on that one off. Okay, so it doesn't matter. We're not counting actually to 11, but it was 11 to start, including the line hits and whatever.
This recording device is very heavy. It's like 5 pounds.
Yeah, it's not an easy job doing it, I'm telling you. It looks easy behind the camera when you're watching it, but... Come on, Mr. Mummy. You're our best friend. Yes? Free games is Sando anyway. Why do you act sad? You don't care. Okay. There's a chance. Last spin. Magic. Last spin. Sadness. Okay, well, Wifey tried, and I'm very mad at him for disrespecting Wifey, but we still are in a pyramid, and we'll go out and fun somewhere else. See you then.